Happy Easter, everybody.
Happy Easter.
So, I have jelly beans changed a lot since I was little. They're actually used to taste the chemicals in it and could hardly eat them. But were always cute and colorful.
This time.
These are now made, what are they made with? They have spirulina, they even have carrots, pumpkin, hibiscus, apple. So they don't have any of this artificial, well, crap. And it's really cool because it comes from Trader Joe's, but it's from a tiny little candy factory nestled in the Irish countryside. So really, candy has come a long way. There are way better choices that we can try. Not that we need to feed our kids sugar anyways.
Easter bunny candy.
Okay, so they have all different flavors. Try one. So they have grape, they even have passion fruit, which is one of my favorites. And they also have blueberry, cherry, pink grapefruit. So we thought we would do a little review. I'm gonna do the pink. It's a little windy. So the pink is really good. And they're not too sweet. I mean, they're still jelly beans, so they're a little sweet, but they're not terrible. And it's really fun to put them all out with your kids and kind of figure out what color you like the best. It's once a year, so it's fun. Well, we just thought we would do a review on this, so I think this is definitely something that I would buy if I was to get sweets. Please subscribe, like, and share.